Hey everyone, as promised, here is a video to help you with today's lesson. Now it's extremely important that you follow the directions. The next two slides, you only have to do one of them, and the slide that you have to do is based on your last name and what it starts with, okay? So make sure you only do one of those slides. Also, you are solving algebraically. Remember, algebraically means algebra. Do not use graphing, okay? I will ask you to upload your work, so I need to see that you can solve these algebraically, okay? You will also have questions on your quiz next week that are algebraic, not graphic, so not just using the graphs. Solve these algebraically. All right, here's an example showing you how to do that. Hey everyone, we are going to take a look at a way to algebraically solve a system of equations. So if you did yesterday's activity, you already know how to do this, all right? So the first thing that we need to do is make sure they equal y, right? So if I have this equals y and this equals y, that means this should equal this because they both are y. It'd be like if this equation equaled 3 and this equation equaled 3, I could set them equal to each other because both equations would equal 3. So what we do when you have your y by itself, then we can set these equal to each other. Okay, so now this is something I can solve. There's just variables on both sides. So I'm going to get all my x to one side, all my constants to the other. So I get 4x plus 4 equals negative 8, because these cancel out. Minus 4, I get 4x equals negative 12. And lastly, I end up with x equals negative 3. Okay, so again, though, when I'm solving a system, I need an ordered pair. But since I have my x equals negative 3 here, I can just take that and plug it back in to the original equation for x. So I can do 2 times negative 3 plus 4, because that was my original equation that equals y. So 2 times negative 3, negative 6, plus 4, y equals negative 2. So my ordered pair is negative 3, negative 2. So this means that my graph crosses at one specific point, and this is that point where it crosses. So a quick recap, make sure my equation equals y. Once both of them equal y, I can set those two sides equal to each other, solve for x, plug my x back into the original equation, doesn't matter which one, and find my ordered pair. Good luck.